Team virus. Dengue fever spread by which of the following mosquitoes? Aedes, Anopheles, Culex, or all of the above?
Option A.
Right answer. Team protozoa. Which of the following immunoglobulin is pentamer? IgG, IgM, IgA, or IgD? I repeat my question. Which of the following immunoglobulin is pentamer? First option is IgG, then IgM, then IgA, and IgD. Right answer. In bacteria, what is the extra chromosomal genetic element in bacteria? First option is chromosome, then ribosome, then conjugation, or the plasmid. I repeat my question. What is the extra chromosomal genetic material in the bacteria? First in chromosome, ribosome, conjugation, or plasmid?
Plasmid.
Right answer. In fungus, N95 mask is used during dealing with MTB, Ebola virus, malaria, or HIV. I repeat my question. N95 mask is used during dealing with MTB, Ebola virus, malaria, or HIV.
Sir, MTV.
Right answer. क्लैपिंग थोड़ा जोर से किया करो. Team virus. Cells in hypertonic solution will swell and burst, dehydrate, hemolyze, or stop mitosis. I repeat my question. Cells in hypertonic solution will swell or dehydrate, homolyze, or stop mitosis. Cells in hypertonic solution will swell and burst, dehydrate, hemolyze, or stop mitosis.
Dehydrate.
Right answer. Six questions. Protozoa. Okay, team protozoa. A disinfectant used on metal surface is 10% formalin, 2% glutaraldehyde, 1% hypochlorite, or 70% isopropyl alcohol. I repeat my question. A disinfectant used on metal surface is 10% formalin, 2% glutaraldehyde, 1% hypochlorite, or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Option D. D. Wrong answer. It's 2% glutaraldehyde. Six question completed?
Yes.
Next, team bacteria. VDRL test is a agglutination test, slide flocculation test, precipitation test. None of these. I repeat my question. VDRL test is agglutination test, slide flocculation test, precipitation test, or none of these.
Agglutination.
Wrong answer. Team fungus. Gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is airborne disease, waterborne disease, sexually transmitted venereal disease, or both A and C.
सर ऑप्शन रिपीट करिएगा.
Airborne disease, waterborne disease, sexually transmitted venereal disease, or both A and C.
सर ऑप्शन सी STI.
Sexually transmitted venereal disease.
Yes, sir.
Right answer.
Olha minha mulher com mulher.
Team virus. In tuberculosis therapy, mainly used antibiotic is penicillin, streptomycin, chloramphenicol, or cycloserine.
Repeat sir question.
In tuberculosis therapy, mainly used antibiotic is penicillin, streptomycin, chloramphenicol, or cycloserine.
ऑप्शन सी.
Chloramphenicol.
Yes sir.
Wrong answer. It's cycloserine.
एडवांस क्वेश्चन होते रहे उनके जान दे.
Team protozoa. The smallest amount of chemotherapeutic agents required to inhibit the growth of the organism in vitro is known as minimum inhibitory concentration, thermal death point, death rate, or none of these. I repeat my question. The smallest amount of chemotherapeutic agents required to inhibit the growth of the organism in vitro is known as minimum inhibitory concentration, thermal death point, death rate, or none of these.
MIC.
Right answer. In bacteria, which types of media require special growth factor? Which types of media require special growth factor? Enriched media, transport media, differential media, or the simple media?
ट्रांसपोर्ट मीडिया.
I repeat my question.
Transport
Which type
हो
of
जाएंगे.
media require special growth factor?
ट्रांसपोर्ट मीडिया.
Enriched media, transport media, differential media, or simple media? Time is ticking.
English media.
Right answer.
ट्रांसपोर्ट मीडिया है.
Team fungus. Batch fermentation is also called as closed system, open system, fed batch system, or submerged system. I repeat my question. Batch fermentation is also called closed system, open system, fed batch system, or submerged system. Fast you are taking time. Closed system, open system, fed batch system, submerged system.
ऑप्शन डी सर.
Wrong answer.
ये क्वेश्चन ऑडियंस पता है किसी को? दिस क्वेश्चन गोज टू ऑडियंस.
Anyone?
रिपीट द क्वेश्चन सर.
Batch fermentation is also called closed system, open system, fed batch system, or submerged system.
क्लोज.
10 सेकंड. राइज योर हैंड. बोलो लास्ट नेम. ऑप्शन क्या है? सी क्या है?
फैट बैच सिस्टम।
इज इट राइट?
क्लोज सिस्टम। ये जब ग्रोथ कर्व आई थिंक हमने डिस्कस किया था, मैंने बताया हुआ कि ग्रोथ कर्व सिर्फ एक क्लोज सिस्टम के अंदर ही कंप्लीट होता है। अगर उसमें मीडिया ऐड होता है तो वो फैट बैच होता है।
मैं तो सोच रहा था कि अगर ऑडियंस से कोई सही आंसर देगा तो मैं उसको प्राइज दूंगा, तुम लोग मौका खो दिए। नहीं ऑडियंस क्या, आप तो पार्टिसिपेंट है, टीम है, आप तो लीडर हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
नेक्स्ट वायरस।
मेरे मन में
To
क्लोज
differentiate
सिस्टम लेकिन नाम
lactose
बोल।
and non-lactose fermenters, the medium used is McConkey medium, Stewart's medium, sugar medium, or citrate medium.
मैक शुगर मीडियम।
I repeat my question. To differentiate lactose and non-lactose fermenters, the medium used is McConkey medium, Stewart's medium, sugar medium, or citrate medium.
McConkey medium.
Right answer.
डिफरेंट है, मैं कौन की रहेगा।
Next is protozoa. The disease cannot be transmitted through transfusion of blood. Is hepatitis B, AIDS, cancer, or malaria? I repeat my question. The disease cannot be transmitted through transfusion of blood. Is hepatitis B, AIDS, cancer, or malaria? Please fast. Hepatitis B, AIDS, cancer, or malaria?
जल्दी।
Next question, team bacteria. Which species of Streptococcus is known as flesh-eating bacteria? Which species of Streptococcus is known as flesh-eating bacteria? First is Streptococcus pyogenes, then Enterococcus faecium, then Streptococcus mucilaginous, then Streptococcus aureus. Repeat my question. Which species of Streptococcus is known as flesh-eating bacteria? First is Streptococcus pyogenes, then Enterococcus faecium, then Streptococcus mucilaginous, and Streptococcus aureus.
Option C, Streptococcus mucilaginous.
Wrong answer. It's Streptococcus pyogen. Team fungus. Team fungus. Which is the suitable test to check water bacteriology? Presumptive coliform count, total plate count, semi-quantitative coliform count, or total fecal streptococcus count? I repeat my question. Which is the suitable test to check water bacteriology? A. Presumptive coliform test, total plate count, semi-quantitative coliform count, or total fecal streptococcus count? Right answer. Team virus. Best indicator of HIV prognosis is CD4 T cell count, CD8 T cell count, HIV RNA, or ELIS. I repeat my question. Best indicator of HIV prognosis is CD4 T cell count, CD8 T cell count, HIV RNA, or ELIS.
Option C.
Wrong. It's CD4T cell RNA count. Team Protozoa. ELISA is used for the diagnosis of AIDS, night blindness, sickle cell anemia, or all of the above.
Elijah.
I
Elijah
repeat
is
my
used
question.
for
ELISA is used for the diagnosis of AIDS, night blindness, sickle cell anemia, or all of the above.
AIDS.
Right answer. I think 9 questions completed.
Yes.
The last questions from all the teams. First is team bacteria. Which parameter is not included
which
in
parameter?
hospital associated infections surveillance? I repeat my question. Which parameter is not included in hospital associated infection surveillance? The first option is catheter associated urinary tract infections. B option, central line associated bloodstream infections.
Catheter.
Then ventilator associated pneumonia. And D, open wound infections.
Catheter वो देखो.
I repeat my question. Which parameter is not included in hospital associated infections surveillance? The first is catheter associated urinary tract infection, or central line associated bloodstream infection, ventilator associated pneumonia,
Last one है.
or open wound infection.
D हुई. D हुई.
Open bond.
Right answer. Team fungus. Most common opportunistic infection in AIDS is
बंद कहाँ कर रहा है? पता नहीं देता.
Cryptococcosis, tuberculosis, candidiasis, aspergillosis. I repeat my question. Most common opportunistic infection in AIDS is Cryptococcosis, tuberculosis, candidiasis, or aspergillosis.
Sir, option A.
Cryptococcosis. Wrong answer. Team virus. Coma-shaped bacteria are known as Staphylococci, Streptococci,
Vibrio.
Vibrio, or Bacillus.
Vibrio.
Vibrio.
Right answer. Team Protozoa. Agar concentration required to prepare nutrient agar is 1 to 2%, 4 to 6%, 0.25 to 0.5%, or 0.5% to 1%. I repeat my question. Agar concentration required to prepare nutrient agar is 1 to 2%, 4 to 6%, 0.25 to 0.5%, or 0.5% to 1%. C option, 0.25 to 0.5%. Anyone in other teams?
1 to 2%.
That's right answer.
Oh, smart come.
Questions completed.
Yes.
Is there any tie or there are clear results?
Clear result.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any guess?
Sir, sorry for the disturbance. Start, if you declaring result, please start with the number 3 position.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any guess from audience? Which team?
Any guess?
Position third?
Nawab,
हाँ तो ऐसे उठा रहा है, बताओ कौन सी टीम थर्ड आई होगी? तुम तो टॉप हो।
fungus.
अब थर्ड हम पूछ रहे हैं।
Sir. Sir.
बैठ जाइए आप। हम अतिथियों का स्वागत करते हैं सर। अभी हम लोग क्विज कंपटीशन आयोजन करा रहे हैं, तो उसका जस्ट रिजल्ट अभी हम लोग अनाउंस करने वाले हैं। तो थर्ड पोजीशन सिक्योर्ड बाय द टीम बैक्टीरिया।
Team bacteria, please stand up.
ताली बजाइए एक बार। बैठ जाइए। सेकेंड पोजीशन इज सिक्योर्ड बाय टीम वायरस।
फर्स्ट कौन हो?
बैठ जाइए।
आदित्य
एंड
लगा।
फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑब्वियसली टीम फंगस। तो कंग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल टीम्स। अगली बार बारी है उनकी जो ऑडियंस में बैठे हुए हैं, क्योंकि आज हमने 4 टीम सेलेक्ट किया था। अगली बार हम और ज्यादा टीम स्क्रीनिंग में सेलेक्ट करेंगे। ठीक।
Volunteers, please arrange the tables.
वॉलंटियर सारी कुर्सियां जो प्लास्टिक की है बाहर कर दीजिए।
Aniket,
निकिता पहले ध्यान है। बंद कर दे रहे? बंद कहाँ लगे?